Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered whether you can connect your Deriv account directly to TradingView and trade from there, you're not alone. Today I'm going to clear up the confusion and show you exactly what's possible, what isn't, and how you can make the best use of these platforms side by side. By the end of this video, you'll understand the limits and possibilities and how to navigate between Deriv and TradingView more confidently. Alright, let's dive right in. First off, let me address the big question up front. No, you cannot directly connect Deriv to TradingView to execute trades from TradingView's interface. This catches a lot of people off guard because TradingView does support integrated brokerage connections with several other platforms, letting you trade right within the charts. But as of now, Deriv does not offer this kind of integration. I know it's a bit disappointing if you hope to streamline everything in one place, but don't worry, there are still some useful ways to make these two platforms work together for your trading routine. Let's talk about what you can do. Even though you can't execute trades on Deriv from TradingView, you can use TradingView's powerful charting tools to analyze the markets and then place your trades on Deriv's platform. Think of TradingView as your command center for spotting trends, setting up strategies, and getting those extra technical indications you love. Once you've made your analysis, simply log into Deriv and execute your trade. It's an extra step, but it's worth it for the analytical advantage TradingView provides. Now here's another important thing to know. Deriv has a bunch of unique symbols and instruments that you won't find on TradingView. If you've ever been searching for something like volatility indices, synthetic indices, or other custom assets that Deriv offers, you might notice they're just not available on TradingView's search menu. This is actually one of Deriv's standout features. Their range of exclusive symbols opens the door to markets you might not even have heard of before if you use only TradingView. So whenever you want to analyze or trade these special assets, you need to head over to Deriv's own charting tools. For example, let's say you're interested in trading the Volatility 100 Index, one of Deriv's most popular synthetic indices. If you search for this symbol in TradingView, you won't find it. Plain and simple, it's not available there. But Deriv offers you rich charting functionality inside its platform, allowing you to monitor and analyze Volatility 100 or any of their unique symbols in real time. So if you're looking for something specific and it's not in TradingView, don't get frustrated. Just switch over to Deriv and you'll have access. To wrap things up, you can't connect Deriv directly to TradingView for trading, but you can certainly compare charts, do your technical analysis on TradingView, and then place your trades through Deriv. And for those special, hard-to-find symbols, Deriv's own platform will be your go-to source. That simple workflow, analyze here, trade there, can help you get the best of both worlds. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions about using Deriv or TradingView, or maybe you want a tutorial on analyzing a particular symbol. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical trading tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.